Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. New house, new place to organize my dog's accessory. Updated 2022. Let's get started. This is in trends of my house, and she's Candy, my coton de Juliar. She sits here so I can put her harness to get out. I show it to you because this is where I hang Candy's harness and leash on this hook. In the other one, I have my hack or tap of the week with my bag, with my wallet, keys, sunglasses, everything inside. On this side, I have my walking shoes. On the other, also my husband's shoes. On this other side, I have a security camera to know if Candy is okay while we are away from home. This is the Whooped brand device machine. I have a review on my channel. I will leave the link of the video below in the description box, so later you can go and check it out. With this device, I can throw cookies at her. I can watch her from all over the other side of the house. I can also talk to her, and also I can hear what's going on at home when she's home alone. In my case, I don't like using cookies for her. I always put on the top of the black lid her kibbles, and she's crazy with this device, as you can see. In the hallway of the house, I keep Candy's cage where she likes to play, and when we go out of the house, I love to put inside small pieces of cookies so she can entertain herself and she doesn't feel sad when we are leaving the house. I always close the cage, and obviously she knows how to open it with her nose to get her cookies. Candy always goes in and out freely. This mattress is orthopedic. I like it because I can take it out to wash it. I have another brand of security camera. The brand is Sen. It's also a cookie dispenser. In the description box of this video, you will have the link of the review. This one has a panoramic view, so I can see absolutely everything that Candy is doing on the other side of the house when we go out. We are in the guest bathroom where I placed all of Candy's grooming products down there. I'm going to show you everything now. On this side, I have my cleaning products for the bathroom, and also just in case if there is any emergency splash of pee on the floor where Candy has the pee pads, I have this awesome product. The brand is Angry Orange. The review video will be in the description box of this video, and also you have a special discount. This product is an odor eliminator and remove grease from dog pee. I also have cloths to clean my gloves. At the bottom in the green bag, I have the Candies bath towels. In the box, I have two brands of bags to collect the poop. One of them is from Laika and the other one is Etsus. Please check out the video's review plus a discount for you below in the description box. On this side, I have Candy's toilet towels that after using them with her, I disinfected and stored them here. I also have panty liners when her cycles comes. I have a retractable leash for when we go to the parks or more open spaces and she can be more free to run. I also have a little gift that a neighbor gave me a long time ago. It's a poop bag dispenser. I also have these paper tissues just in case for my bag to use with Candy. And here I have this little bag where I keep all the hair ties for Candy. And in this bag I have all the brushes and gums and also a set of scissors. Here is my dog's Preventive monthly medicine. I have an ear cleaner, also a solution to heal wounds, 2 empty jars to put some products there when I go on a trip. Here I storage an antibiotic for the ears infection because a few months ago Candy got an ear infection, but she's fine, don't worry. Over here I storage the pee pads to use every day with Candy. I have a plastic feeder for Candy for when we go on a trip or visit my friends or family houses. In the white basket, I have some products from the Best brand that we are working right now, And I have this little bottle with shampoo from Bathtub, and I have cornstarch to use for a dry bath. Fall and winter season is coming, so I like dry baths with cornstarch for my pup. In this basket, I have all the cleaning and bath products such as toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, perfumes, toothbrushes, etc. Guys, I'm going to leave you a playlist of all Candies videos below in the description box. There you will find all these products because we have reviews of them. And right here I have pee pads hidden for emergencies when I need to buy more. And in the back I have one of my pop travel bags for plane, train or bus. Here is the bathtub for the guest bathroom where I keep the Candies bathtub. Also we have her special car seat, and down there is her pet stroller. In this white cabinet, we have toilet papers, a package of incense, lighter, a bunch of COVID tests, just in case we never know. And this is where I keep the large package of pee pads to refill on the other side. And right here, more toilet papers. Now we are in the kitchen where I have this magnet and the fridge, where a lady from Korea drew candy and painted and sent it to me as a gift. Up there on the right hand side we have some products for Candy, like for example the homeopathic anti-stress drops, her treats that ran out, but I bought her the new one and placed it in the container as you see it. I have the hip and joints supplements for senior dogs and the breath freshener. Over here we have the Candies feeding station area with this very soft and easy to clean mat that says woof. And I have a towel over there if she splits the water when she drinks. This is the bowl for the water and this is the bowl for food. But additionally I have this slow feeder from Pawai brand. We already have a review of this. I will leave the video in the description box. On this side of the house I have a closet. It's a cool and dark place where I'm putting the 13-pound bag of kibbles for Candy. I like to open at one end to keep everything hermetically sealed, to keep any strong smell inside. This brand doesn't have a strong smell of dog food. I'm very picky about smells, so I'm fine with this brand and package. I place some cups of kibbles into a smaller container and I keep it in the fridge. Now we are in my bedroom where I have another security camera cookie dispenser, the same one that is in my entrance of the house. Candy likes to stay at my room. That's why I have another camera here. In the corner under my bed, I have her orthopedic bed. It has a zipper to get this part out. It also has another zipper at the bottom to get out and wash it in the washing machine or by hand. And I'm using this bed under my bed, especially to cushion her front legs when she gets out of bed. On this side, I have another bed with a blanket and her pink pillows. Super cute. She likes to be here, she likes to play, she brings her cookies, and she has a great time, but she doesn't sleep here. I have a drawer for Candy where I keep her blankets, harnesses, leashes, bandanas, t-shirts for winter. Everything is clean and organized in this drawer. And also I have this cute backpack with a towel inside for trips. This backpack is a harness too. And that will be all, and I hope you like this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you are new today, follow me on my social media, and see you next time. Bye bye.